Roborock is known for making budget and quality robot vacuum cleaners in the industry, like S50, S55, E35 those. Now they've rolled out its first ever handheld cordless vacuum, Roborock H6. How is it? Let's take a close look. On the design-wise, there's nothing special about it. There's an OLED screen that displays various reports such as remaining battery charge, the vacuum mode in use, the maintenance alerts. The H6 has a really small dustbin. The capacity is only 13.5 volts, but I think this shouldn't be a big problem if your home is slow traffic, as long as not some mess rooms like this. To clean the bin, just press this key. The dirt comes out instantly. Just like other high-end vacuums, it comes with a HEPA filtration system, which is efficient enough and safe for allergy sufferers. As the official info claims that the H6 5-stage filtration system retains 99.97% of particles measuring as tiny as 0.3 microns. The filters are washable, but make sure to dry them before next use. This is really good. You will not worry about buying new ones now and then. Although there's nothing unusual about the design, there are some really cool features that I've never seen in other cordless vacuums. The H6 is the first vacuum that features a lithium polymer battery, which is the same one used inside drones. It's a big reason why the H6 has such a long runtime and it still weighs around 3 pounds. It's really lightweight. While it uses a trigger to clean, it also has an electric lock on the side of the handle that keeps the motor running without having to squeeze it continually. This is a really smart feature because sometimes I want it to work without pressing the trigger, sometimes not. Why other vacuums don't have this feature? Enough about that, let's put that thing into real life test. The H6 produces 140 airwatt suction power. That's decent considering that most cordless vacuums struggle around 100 airwatts. There are two options available, a model with the soft roller and another with the standard brush roll. Both the standard and the soft roller works really well at cleaning hard floors and soft surfaces. I've tested on debris such as flour, raisin, rice, purple beets, and there weren't any issues. Steering is responsive. You can almost reach to any corners without moving your body, which is convenient. Of course, it also comes with other attachments for different uses, in my opinion are enough for daily cleaning chores. Overall, the Roborock H6 has exceeded my expectations. It's lightweight and compact. It has by far the longest battery life among all the vacuum cleaners I've tested. And you know what? It's quiet. Even I choose the highest setting. Beyond all that, the most important feature is that H6 has a top-notch cleaning performance, especially considering the price. If you are looking for a highly usable vacuum and your home doesn't need heavy cleaning, look no further. Alright, that's a video. For more about the H6, you can check out the link in the description or on the screen. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please click right here to subscribe. I'm Sammy. See you next time.